Hey guys, it's me, Leah. Today I'm doing a gaming video. So I'm going to be playing Build a Boat for Treasure. Let's get started with the video.
You want the last couple pieces of this?
I'm playing Build a Boat for Treasure. Oranges.
Huh?
Oranges. Oranges. I'm making a YouTube video. Yep. Okay. It's hard to vlog and play at the same time. Ooh, look at that boat. That boat's falling apart. Right here seems like a good spot. Let's get to building. Yep, this video, I don't know how long it will be. All I know is I'm a YouTuber. Oh, that's not. Okay, oh. And I'm going to mention my sister's new channel at the end. Well, I'll just mention it now. My sister came out with a new channel called, I'll ask her at the end of the video what it's called. Comment down below what your favorite Roblox game is, and maybe I'll play it and in one of my videos. Just comment what your favorite is, or just comment a game that you like or a game you know of, and I might end up playing it. That was the wrong idea.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel that's called Jackson Baby.
Hey, Addie, what's your YouTube channel?
It's called Addison Basil.
Okay, go check out her YouTube channel called Addison Basil.
It might be called Addison Basil.
Neither do I. I already checked both.
It's called Addison Basil.
First, guys, bro. Yep. Can you ignore that sound? Okay. This is. Oh no, it's finished. Okay, let's launch my boat. Oh, it fell over. That's sad. Let's just go ahead and jump off. Oh, this video's already been 3 minutes. Longest one I've ever done. Do you understand, guys? Okay. Well, I'm going to do one more round. I'm back and... Oh, let's buy some stuff. Ooh, 5 of them. Ooh, that's cool, guys. What is that? Comment down below if you know what that was. Peace. Let's buy, this. Let's buy this.
Do you guys tell me if I'm a ghost or not?
Okay, guys. Yes, I love gaming, so I'm gonna do a lot. I got a treasure chest.
I deleted that video.
Without this it moving. Well, that's pretty nice. Well, I could use some of that. This video has already been pretty long, guys. Longest video I've ever done. Oh, I can buy one more of these. Okay. I think that's all of our monies. Okay, let's get to building. No, not that.
Silly dinosaurs. Go home and I'm going to post your first video. So exciting.
Guys, I don't know what's happening.
Walk over and just said, yeah, I can post it.
Quit, you're not posting that. Dang it. Oh yeah, look at all this stuff. I have all of that. Oh, I even have gold.
Yeah, I posted it. I just posted it.
Then this person joined my team. Sure, because I'm quitting after this.
Oh gosh, it's on there. It's on there. What's my channel?
Is that here we go in March?
Upload it. It's almost uploaded. Okay, now.
Yes. Okay, guys. This was also a fail, so I'm gonna jump off here. Okay, let's shut that. So if you enjoyed that, comment down below, leave this video a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And until next time, bye.
Upload it.